5G Transformation Hub is the home of innovative case studies for 5G. So what we're trying to show is how 5G transforms different industries. The 5G Industry Challenge is a new competition we've opened up to all our membership. And this is all about showing what cases you have and how 5G changes the way people work and what industry delivers. So we're opening this up now in a number of categories for different vertical industries. So people can enter their ideas and their case studies and how they use 5G. And the idea is we want to look and promote innovation around the world. So this is all linked back to Barcelona for the end of the year, where there'll be a grand ceremony and there'll be 6 prizes for 6 different verticals. And the top prize will receive a Glomo delivered and presented at Mobile World Congress. All you need to do, you'll find everything on the website. So gsma.com/5G Hub.